Modern LED headlamps with innovative light functions require special steps from workshops to carry out professional diagnostics and repairs. Alongside a simple visual inspection and check for external damage, it is only possible to check that it is working properly, using a diagnostic device. The LED headlamps, or rather the vehicle lighting, is monitored by higher-level control units. Any errors that occur are stored in the control unit's error memory. In this example, the electrical plug connection on the headlamp was disconnected, and an error code was stored in the error memory as a consequence. Furthermore, the instrument cluster display warns the driver if there is a system error. Parameters, such as the horizontal angles of the reference segments, can be read out from the control unit as part of the check. The actuator test function allows the headlamp's individual functions to be controlled. This allows a functional check of the periphery and the corresponding system components to be carried out without much disassembly effort. The following components can be replaced on the matrix LED headlamp: the 3 control units mounted on the housing, the power modules for the daytime running lights and direction indicator lights, for low beam and high beam, and for the matrix function, and the 2 fan motors integrated in the housing, as well as the headlamp leveling system's actuator, which is located under the low beam and high beam power module. When the headlamp is replaced, the control units and the fans must be converted from the old to the new headlamp. Once a new LED headlamp, or control unit has been installed, it may be necessary to make an additional adjustment to the vehicle electronics. When installing the control units, make sure that the rubber seals are seated correctly. If any of the following work has been carried out, a basic adjustment of the headlamp is required to ensure that it operates correctly. The headlamps or individual displayed components have been removed or replaced. Repairs or adjustments have been made to the vehicle that affect the vehicle height. Before you can start adjusting the headlamps, a number of prerequisites must be met on the vehicle, which you can find in detail in the list displayed. The diagnostic device is used to begin the basic headlamp adjustment, which is performed by following the specified procedures. The basic adjustment is made in the vehicle electrical system electronics, and in the headlamp leveling system. Connecting a charging unit is recommended to support the vehicle electrical system. Align the SEG centrally in front of the vehicle, and then move it to the corresponding headlamp and align it centrally with the reflector segment. Set the inclination dimension accordingly. In this example, 1%. Select the vehicle from the SEG database. Switch on the low beam on the vehicle, not the automatic function. Start the basic adjustment on the diagnostic device and follow the instructions. The headlamps now move into the adjustment mode. Check the light pattern and make corrections if necessary. Once the low beam has been successfully adjusted, the matrix high beam function can be calibrated. To do this, switch on the position light and align the SEG in front of the reference segment. Read off the calculated horizontal value on the SEG display, and enter it in the diagnostic device. Then perform the same procedure on the right headlamp, and enter the corresponding value. Save the values by confirming their Next button and complete the calibration.